Right now, it's a pretty exciting time with physical hardware technologies with cameras and lasers and softwares to meet up with that it's giving us the ability to do a lot of adaptive welding. And this is going to solve a lot of what we're seeing on the labor shortage side. And that's historically robots have been deployed in areas where there was low mix but extreme high volume, right? Part after part, same part, day in and day out. One of the holy grails was to try to figure out how to get down into the job shops, which were doing multiple parts, but just a few of them at a time. Historically, it's been very expensive to program, reprogram, and do all of that. And in fact, it was not financially smart to do that. It was just better to hand weld it. With some of the new softwares, it's actually opening up this whole market. And that market's as big, if not bigger, than the high volume market with job shops. There's job shops with 3 or 4 guys that can use this technology, all the way up to job shops with 300 people.